In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the Settings section of your ActiveCampaign account. You'll find the Settings menu in the bottom left corner of the dashboard, and it's represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This takes you to a variety of settings options where you can customize your account as you need. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section titled Labels. This is where you can manage any existing labels you might have and add new ones as well. So go ahead and click on Labels. This is a really handy area of ActiveCampaign because labels help you organize your contacts, campaigns, and other important information, making it easier for you to find what you need later on. Now, to create a new label, you'll want to find and click on the button that says Create Label. It's often brightly colored and easy to spot, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you click that button, it opens up a configuration window where you can set up your new label exactly how you want. In this configuration window, the first thing you'll need to do is name your label. Choose a descriptive name that clearly indicates what the label is used for. For example, if you're labeling contacts based on their interests, you might name it Fitness Enthusiasts or Tech Savvy. The idea here is to use a name that helps you identify the label's purpose at a glance. After you've named your label, the next step is to select a distinct color. This is a great way to visually categorize your information quickly. In the same configuration window, you'll see color options that you can choose from. Selecting a color that stands out will make it easier to identify this label in lists and overviews. For instance, you might choose a vivid blue for promotions and a bright green for event attendees. Colors can really help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized, so don't be afraid to get a little creative here. Once you've named your label and picked the color you want, look for the Save button to finalize your new label. This step is crucial because it ensures that your label is created and saved in your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a label in ActiveCampaign. This simple yet effective tool not only saves you time, but also enhances your ability to sort and manage your data. With your labels in place, you can easily navigate through your contacts and campaigns, making your marketing efforts more efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips